Will AI replace software engineers? What do you think? Let's understand this in details. AI is not expected to replace software engineers entirely, but rather transform the profession by automating routine coding tasks and boosting productivity. While AI enables faster development, it lacks the strategic, creative, and complex problem-solving abilities of human engineers. The role is shifting towards AI-assisted development, where engineers who leverage AI tools will likely see increased efficiency and value. Key impacts of AI on software engineering. Role transformation. AI acts as a tool that handles repetitive coding, allowing engineers to focus on higher-level system architecture and design. Impact on experience levels. There is a potential hollowing out of entry-level roles, with roughly 15 to 20% impact on junior positions, while senior and architect roles may see higher demand. Need for upskilling. Around 80% of engineers will likely need to upskill to work alongside AI, focusing on AI integration, system design, and crucially, reviewing AI-generated code for security and accuracy. Limitations of AI. Current AI models struggle with complex, large-scale systems, understanding business context, and managing dependencies. Job security. Demand for skilled developers remains, as AI cannot replace the need for human oversight and complex, creative, and nuanced problem-solving. In summary, AI is more likely to redefine coding as a profession than eliminate it, rewarding engineers who adapt to and manage these tools effectively.